Howdy! So today I am going to share with all of you this awesome dental hygiene trick. And it is using this twig called a miswak. I'm not quite sure how it's pronounced. And actually a lot of studies have been done on this very twig. And there are over 70 health benefits, and a lot of the studies have shown that it is actually more effective than using a toothbrush and toothpaste. Not to mention that it's more convenient than a toothbrush and toothpaste, because instead of having to carry around toothbrush and toothpaste, you just have your one little stick. So it's really easy and better. And like toothbrush and toothpaste, it cleans the teeth. It helps prevent gum disease and gingivitis, and it helps whiten the teeth, and it helps with plaque and cavities and everything. But in addition, it also helps stimulate your taste buds. So when you eat, things have a richer taste. And it also claims to help with memory. And what is the other one? It aids in digestion. So when some of the bristles and stuff get into your mouth and you swallow it, it helps with the digestion. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare one and to use one. So first of all, so I started soaking a fresh twig in water so it's softer. And this is the worst part of it, but luckily you don't have to do it that often. So yes, you have to take about a ½ inch size, and you want to peel off the bark. And I'm just going to do it with my mouth, my teeth. Excuse me. I'm just going to spit out the nasty bark, because what makes this part the worst is that the bark is nasty. But actually, once you start using the twig, it tastes really good, and it gives us a great aftertaste in your mouth. And this is just a temporary inconvenience for the wonderfulness that pursues. Okay, so next, now that I have my little section, I'm going to chew on it. And see how I'm starting to form some bristles here? So yeah. Now I'm going to put it in the water to soften them. And actually, so here is how it's looking now. I'm going to keep letting this one soften. Oh, I splashed on my face. And use this one to show you how it goes. So instead of just rubbing, however, or in circular motions like a toothbrush, you go down on the upside. We go all the way back. Then to get the bottom side of the teeth, you just go back and forth. It's the simplest. And then to get the back side of them, you brush down, but coming from the back angle. Okay, I didn't do a very thorough job, but you get the picture. Then on the bottom, it's just the same. But on the bottom. Okay, so it actually gets really well in between the teeth too. You still have to floss, but it really helps get into the cracks. For your tongue, you just go. And you can also go sideways. And then I'm going to just refreshen it by dipping in the water, but you don't have to. I just like to. Now to get the area in between your gum, the area in between your cheeks and your teeth. Just rub it around. And on the inside too, between your teeth and tongue. You can really put it wherever. It's such a good thing. And that is the Miswak, and it's so convenient. You can even carry it in the little bag that it comes in. Let's see if I can open one of these bags. So for example, if I want to bring it to work and use it after lunch, bum bum bum, and I can just carry it in this. Actually, I'd want to put it the other way so the brush doesn't get germs and stuff. Or put it in a sealed bag. But it's so easy and convenient, and the benefits are so wonderful, and they're cheap. And when you're done, after a few days, when these bristles get old, all you have to do is just start chewing it not down. So you just keep chewing, 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 chewing until it's done. So hopefully it works really well, and you guys all have beautiful teeth, great hygiene, and shining mouths.